Hello, friends. Welcome to another session on Duplicate Kuznir. Amchi Natala ani New Year Zalo Kabar. Ten sorpotel, ten chicken, ten niste hawan sarki was yeli. So let's try something different. They say variety is the spice of life, and since I am born in Goa but brought up here in Ahmedabad, I am very much influenced by the Gujarati culture and food, which I thought I would want you to be exposed to, and hence permit me to deviate a little bit and try something new in the new year. One of the most popular dishes emerging from the state of Surat in Gujarat is called the Undhiyu. The name Undhiyu is derived from the Gujarati word Undu, which means upside down. Traditionally, Undhiyu is cooked in an earthen pot. The pots are sealed and placed upside down in a fire pit dug in the ground. The slow cooking in earthen pot gives the dish a rustic flavor and taste. The dish is a seasonal one, comprising of the vegetables which are available during the winter. This is one dish I really wanted to learn from a long time. So friends, here we go. Friends, these are the ingredients to make the Undhiyu. And you can see them. So many ingredients, isn't it? Now lots of greens here. The best part about this recipe and this dish is that all these vegetables are available in winter. So this is methi. This is tuver. So once you skin them, this is how it will look. This is called surti papdi. Konkani yaono kaje. Kona khabar asate sangche maka. So this is how it will look when you skin them. This is again another papdi. This is called in Gujarati Lila Lasaniya. Losun mashi. But Lila Lasaniya, greens. This is ravaya. Right? They'll be nicely cut into four and nice masala goes into them and they are fried and then they are put into the mixed with the other ingredients. It tastes awesome. Two types of chilies here. This is new potatoes. Yeah, kondgi zana. This is kondgi. This is ratalu. We've got 500 grams of groundnut oil. And then we have chana gram flour, 100 grams. And 50 grams of coarse wheat flour. Right? Biopachi gorazna. There are lots of things over here, but you go to the supermarket and all these things will be available at one given point. I just went over there. See, you can see this bill. Yeah. So I went over there and just got all these things. 218 rupees only. So these are the ingredients, friends. Just as in a song there are lots of notes, in a painting there is lots of colors. Similarly, making food, there are so many ingredients which goes into making a dish. But ultimately it's how you blend them that will give you the final result. So that's very important. Friends, here I am in the kitchen of Mrs. Praveena Panchal. Kem cho Bhabiji?
Boss, mujama, kem cho, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Okay, so here she is already started cleaning the Surti papdi kehvaye.
Surti papdi, yeah.
Acha.
Undhiya માટે main ingredients છે શાકભાજી.
So this is the main ingredients, and how do you clean it? She's just showing how to clean it. કેવી રીતે સાફ કરાય એને?
અને આમ બે બાજુથી આમ નસો કાઢી નાખવાની અને પછી આમ કરી અને આમ બે ભાગ કરી દેવાના.
Okay, this is how you devein them first and just
Yes, sir.
cut them into two, just like that. Okay, so that is the first step, just to show you how some things have to be cleaned. This is another type of beans. You just got to clean it up this way. दाणे काढून जाय त्याचे. वयलेली साल घालपाची गरज ना. This is the smaller one. આના ખાલી દાણા જ અંદર જવા જોઈએ. હા. This is tuver. Just clean the tuver up as well. This is
મેથી
fenugreek leaves, methi. Okay.
અને આ મુઠિયા બનાવવાના.
Okay, this is for the muthia.
હા.
કેવી રીતે સાફ કરવાનું? This is how you clean them. Just take the leaves. This is tuver. Okay, this is how you got to clean them up. अच्छा. શું થાય આવું કરીએ તો?
આના કરવાથી આ ऐसा कीड़ा होता है ऐसा.
Oh, the worms. Okay. એ બધું નીકળી જાય.
હા, નીકળી
અચ્છા.
જાય. એ અહીંયા ચોટેલો હોય.
अच्छा,
कीड़ा.
okay.
એટલે
If the worms are stuck over there, they fall down the seed. That's what she tells. Lots of worms here you can see. Right? This is how the ravaiya will have to be cleaned. अच्छा, 4 भाग करवाना. આમાં
આની
મસાલો
અંદર
જશે.
મસાલો ભરવા માટે.
Okay. The methi, the fenugreek leaves will have to be washed like this, so that the bitterness comes out of this.
મેથી નીચે આવી જાય પછી.
माशी धुंग जाय कित्याक जाय ती रेंव आसता तितून. कोथमिरी तो हीच मातशी बरी उदकान साफ करूंक जाय. This is the lila lasanya, nicely washed and cut in this manner. All veggies nicely cleaned this way and washed. Botate ani कोणग्यो कातोल्ला पळय आतां धुवन. All the vegetables needs to be nicely washed and cleaned. Now for the muthia, this is the first step. This is the washed methi. We will add
બેસન.
besan, 2.5 spoons of besan. Okay, wheat flour then gets to be added. Okay, muko. This is coarse wheat flour. Salt,
રેડ મિર્ચ.
red chili
Chili.
powder. तीखું જોઈતું હોય તો વધારે નાખવાનું.
હા.
Okay. If you want more spicy, just put a more
Turmeric.
red. This turmeric,
પિંચ.
pinch of turmeric.
સર
Yes, sugar, 1.5
શુગર.
spoon of sugar. Very important ingredient for the Gujaratis. It blends the other flavors. The sugar. Sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1.5. Groundnut oil.
ટેબલ સ્પૂન.
Okay.
2 ટેબલ સ્પૂન.
2 tablespoon of groundnut oil. You got to mix them well. बरे भाशून घालूंक जाय आनी जाय पळय तेन्ना इल्लें इल्लें उदक घालूंक जाय. This is the masala that will go in the muthia, right?
ऐसा થાય ને.
This is how you nicely shape them up with your fingers. The consistency has to be like that in an oval shape. इल्लें तेणें 2 spoon उदक घातलां. So this is the way then this muthia goes in for deep frying. This dish is really going to test your patience, but the effort will be worth it in the end. That is a very, very delicious dish. And बरे भाशेन फ्राय करूंक जाय. बरे ब्राउन जावंक जाय. Care should be taken that the insides is nicely fried, otherwise it will remain raw. હા બહુ મજા આવે આ ખાવાની કેમ
બની ગયા પછી કલાક પડ્યું રહે પછી બહુ મજા આવે
ઓકે
મસાલા અંદર ચડે ને કોઈ પણ ઇન્ગ્રેડિયન્ટ્સમાં મસાલા ચડે ને 2 કલાક પછી બહુ મજા આવે જે આ ભાજી પાઉં વાળા પહેલા કાચો મસાલો ને બધું તૈયાર કરીને મૂકી રાખે
બરાબર
અને પછી ફરી પાછો વઘાર કરીને બનાવે
ઓકે
એટલે એનો ટેસ્ટ બહુ જ સરસ આવે
બરાબર છે ઓકે 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 so we keep it for half an hour. The masalas get soaked inside and it tastes better. That's what she's saying. Green chilies will have to go for grinding. કેટલા મરચા લેવાના
5-6
5-6 green chilies. That's the green chilies. આ શાના માટે કરીએ છીએ
રવૈયાના ભરવા માટે પછી આ બટાકા શક્કરિયા રતાળું એ અંદર ભેળવી અને અંદર નાખી દેવાનું
Okay, so this is the ravaya. Okay, so we are making the masala to be put inside this ravaya. Barabar na? Okay. Add 1 spoon of besan.
1.5 બસ 1 teaspoon
આ શું છે salt. Okay, so sugar and salt is added.
Salt,
Turmeric half teaspoon.
1 teaspoon
Chili powder.
Chili powder
1 Okay, and then we are adding also 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Okay, this is not spicy. Wow.
4 tablespoon coriander powder
4 tablespoon. Oil
1 tablespoon
1 tablespoon of oil. So this is the masala that needs to be for the ravaya bharwa mate. Boro masin kalung jay ani wo magin masalo eje bitor huitolo. Wow. Add kothmir which was washed and cleaned. Okay, coriander. This is how you will fill up the masala in the raviyas. So the next step is to fry this yam, potatoes and sweet potatoes. You can see oil being made hot. The oil is hot. That's the time बटाटे आणि कोणग्यो बरे भाजूंक जाय. The yam also needs to be fried. So this is nicely fried now. So whatever masala which is left,
એમની અંદર નાખી દે.
अच्छा એને મિક્સ કરવાનો આમાં. The masala which was left after filling this raviyas, we mix them over here. आता बागार करतली आमी. ओके, अजवाइन. अजवाइन.
अजवाइन.
ओके.
ऐसा पटेगा ऐसे करके डालते हैं.
So ajwain goes this way. Okay, a little bit of hing added now. Red chilies, 3 red chilies goes next. Sesame seeds. Bagara gatla. First goes in the surti papdi. The papdi dana, papdi and tuver dana goes next. 1 bowl of water.
કરેલું રાખી દેવાનું.
So what was deep fried, the potatoes, kongi and yam goes in next. Kashmiri and spicy red chili powder goes in next. 1
turmeric,
tablespoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of
coriander powder,
coriander powder. Stir the mixture nicely.
it's ravai,
Ravaya goes in next. Salt to taste. Two and a half tablespoon of salt. Just close the lid and keep it for 2 whistles. So after 2 whistles, this is the final outcome. Wow, look at this. एक विसल येऊन मागीर दुसरे विसलीक मातशें स्लो करूंक जाय आनी दुसरे विसल येतकूच ताका बॉर्न करूंक जाय. Chilies needs to be slit in the middle. Don't have to remove the head and the tail. बरे भाशेन ते चिलीज फ्राय करूंक जाय. Tomatoes then will be mixed. The gas is on slow.
2 tablespoons sugar.
2 tablespoons of sugar goes in
ટમેટાની ખટાશને બેલેન્સ કરી દીધું.
to balance the
ટમેટા
sourness of the tomatoes. This is the undiyu masala that needs to be added in the end. Stir the mixture well. Salt is a little bit less, so you'll add a little bit of salt. Coriander goes in next. Now's the time you put the muthia inside.
બે કરી નાખો, આખા નાખો.
એક બે આખા નાખો.
તમે કુકરની પર બાફા નથી મૂકતા.
The lila
Green
lasagna
garlic.
goes in last on the top. Stir it well. In the end, whatever oil which was remaining, then you just pour it. કેટલું નાખ્યું ઓઇલ? અડધું જ નાખવાનું ને?
અડધા ઉપર
Okay.
100-150 ગ્રામ જેટલું.
150 grams of oil goes in. Stir it up gently. This on slow fire for another 5 to 10 minutes. Stir it nicely so all the masalas get soaked inside. Wow, look at this, very nicely plated. The undiyu complemented well with the puris and the jalebi. Recipe is something which I really wanted to learn since a very long time. Let me just taste this. Wow, perfectly cooked vegetables and perfect spices in every bite that you take. Really worth all the effort that was put into making this wonderful dish. Beautiful. So thank you પ્રવીણા ભાભી, બહુ આનંદ થયો મને આ શીખવીને. Small token of love and appreciation. Thank you ભાભીજી.
Thank you, welcome.